So with that previous video out the way, now you kind of know what's gonna happen. Let's get the car ready for its first drive, because it's been 6 months. Weather's finally good here in Saskatchewan, you know, in Canada. Bad winter, and most of us don't want to drive our car in the winter time because it sucks. And I did it for 3 winters, but this last winter I did not want to drive it because I just put too much nice parts on it. I just didn't want to go around in minus 30 weather, and it's not fun. The car doesn't like the cold. It really doesn't. So without further ado, let's get this sheets off the car and go from there. We got lots to do to get it ready to be roadworthy again, and then we'll go from there. So let's get the sheets off. Now somehow this whole thing was in this little box. We're gonna put this in here. Well, we'll try. It's gonna be messy. It's gonna explode, man. But okay. Well, thanks for covering up the car for the oh god, my eye, for the whole winter. We'll put you right behind the camera here because we're not gonna need you. Stay. I'll probably put it somewhere else later. But oh my god. I have not seen this car without the cover for 6 months. She is looking good. Still not as dusty, which is good. No, the cover did its job of making sure not a lot of dust gets on here. And it's still pretty clean. We'll definitely have to clean it, remove any 6 months old dust that's been sitting when I covered it up, because it gets dusty really quickly here. Because in like a day, this whole windshield is gonna be like, I can draw on it. Like that's how the dust is gonna get in like a few hours here. There she is. There she is. There's a little plug-in during minus 40 weather, so I didn't suffer too much. Oh yes, still nice and clean. Obviously, I don't know if you can see. I don't know, maybe the camera's not picking up, but floor mat's dirty because I did turn on the car during the winter time here and there just to make sure it's still running and make sure the battery's not dead. But wow. Oh my god, still smells like black ice. Yeah, I missed that smell. I missed, let me get in there. Oh man. Oh my god. First time sitting down in a long time. I don't know, like, what kind of video am I making? But yeah, I missed, wow, I can't believe I sit like this. Because I was driving my other car, my beater, and I sit like kind of upwards like a normal person. But this is more like a laid back race car driver. Even race car drivers drive pretty close to the car, to the wheel. But wow, this is the racing claustrophobia I missed. This is amazing. And yeah, it's manual. Oh yeah, baby. That was weird. I'm sorry, guys. We're gonna. Ooh, the clutch made a noise. I haven't touched the clutch in a while. Oh, whatever. That's okay. It goes away after it gets warm and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna turn on the car, cold started, hopefully starts up with my friends when they get here in a couple hours. In the meantime, put the taillights on because I took it off, and I'll explain you why later. Check oil, and then check the tire pressures. And maybe go off for a drive. I don't know, we'll see. It's not registered, so I don't want to get in trouble already, you know. Let's get out of here. So what I meant by the taillights is I took off the taillights during the winter time because I have aftermarket Valenti smoked taillights, and I did not want to leave that out in the minus 30 weather of Canadian winters here because I've seen them break. I don't want that. They were pretty expensive. So I took it off, taped up the holes, and the third brake let off. This side here as well. So right now I'm going to spend like a few minutes. Probably going to take me a while to put them back on. I'll put them in a nice little Dollarama bag here, and then I got to remember where the wires go. I did take pictures before I took it off, so I remember. Even though I tell myself, oh, it's pretty easy, I'll remember it. No, you will not. You will not remember. You'll forget it. So it's time to finally get under the car and get dirty again. So let's do that, shall we? Okay, so I got all my trunk stuff out, getting ready to put stuff in. One thing about this garage, it just gets dusty so quickly. Look at that. That's probably from last year. I don't know why it's doing here. Like every time I sweep it up, it immediately gets dusty in here. But oh well, what can you do? I already got one of the taillights out, looking pretty dusty. Even though it was in the bag, so we'll do some cleaning on that. So update, friends here. Taillights on. And they're working, just tested it. I think I got like dirt on the back of my head. And now I'm gonna check the oil. Okay, a little bit of update. My friends left. I checked the oil and the coolant, and everything looks good. I did cold start it. I didn't record that because I was talking and I had the camera put away. Not really used to doing this at all, so as you can see, it's very rough and not as good as some other YouTubers, but it's a work in progress. You know, we're trying to get better. Yeah, car is all good and set, but unfortunately, I'm not able to drive it today because of I need to register it. Can't do it because they're closed, so tomorrow or sometime this week we'll do it. I love obviously record that, and then you guys will just jump to the day when I actually do get to drive this for real for the first time. Taking it out, super excited. It's been a while. My friends were like, come on, let's just get it out anyways. I'm like, no, we're not. So I'll see you when we get the car going. Alrighty gang, it's the next day. The car is finally insured and ready to go. The boost gauge, even though I'm in a, and then got my dash cam ready to go. It is time to finally drive this guy, so I'm very excited for. Let's get a cold start going. It's so loud! One of the most stupidest thing about my car is I made it way too loud, but I love it. But then I can't really floor it because I'll just destroy everyone's eardrums, and I don't like that. Let's wait for it. Oh, warmed up, so I'm gonna back out, go say hi to my friends in my old workplace, and then go drive around some more. I'm gonna take you guys along with it with the headpiece, so it's gonna be fun. Oh yeah, I haven't used this in a while. It's called an open flash tablet too. So you got the old jazz, the recording. Boom, we got the boost gauge, -8 PSI. Yeah, we're making boost, man. All right. Let's back out. Let's back out. Whatever. Should probably retorque the lug nuts. I'll do that later. I think we'll be fine. If I got tools, so it's fine. Hey gang, hope you can still hear me. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god. Oh, I missed this. Oh, I missed having power steering. Like, my beater over there has no power steering whatsoever. Oh my god. Oh fuck. That was rough. Oh no, I forgot how loud she is. Oh my god. I am bricked up. I gotta get used to that again. Holy fuck. Jesus Christ. Holy shit, I gotta be careful. Cops again. Floored it yet. This is not like, this is just vaping and I'm barely getting any gas. is insane. I'm just gonna go straight because I don't like this street. There's a lot of cops on the streets. Jesus, it's so stiff. I haven't driven in 6 months, so don't mind me being really rough at the go. There we go, we're getting better. Every time I go for a drive. Gonna go on the highway soon. Oh, Jesus. Those shifts were terrible. I'm gonna get used to, doing it again, obviously. But damn, that felt great. Slow, but it was great. That was really loud too. Oh my god. Oh, I can smell everything. Everything's hot all of a sudden. With this exhaust on at the moment, it's actually making my car a lot slower than with my old exhaust, which was the NVIDIA N1. Right now this is the Tomy. Oh my god. Tomy 88R makes my car way louder but slower because there's no back pressure anymore. Oh my god, this car is so light though. It is so light and maneuverable. Like, I'm on the ground. Oh, I do miss rolling backwards. I do miss scaring people. Whenever someone comes behind me, I kind of do a little bit of a dip back. person. I like to drive with the windows down if I can, especially with the new exhaust that I have now. Well, not new, but the exhaust I have, period. Yeah, people are just staring at me. Those popping are basically on my command. I just feather the throttle and it pops like that, which is really nice because I don't want to pop every time I'm driving somewhere or if there's a cop. Alright, well, that was the drive. That's all I gotta say. I'll see you guys back at the house. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was the first drive of the year for my car. That was amazing. I missed that feeling, that adrenaline rush, that like spike of like loudness. It was amazing. It was great. I loved it. It's great. I'm sure everyone else is happy with it. For the people who actually like it, for those who don't, I'm sorry, especially those people who hate loud cars. It's a small town. But yeah, that was a crazy drive. That was indeed a nice little drive. We did have 2 close calls, which was, again, just shows city drivers, yeah, you can't do anything much about that. That's okay. Otherwise, the car, you know, knock on wood, it's running great, it's sounding great. Super happy to continue driving it. Obviously, I'm like rusty driving this, so I'm gonna get used to it again, get that confidence up and trusting my car again in handling and in like shifting and downshifting. I kind of have to like think about it more than I didn't, so I'm gonna get back into that zone again. I keep going to reverse like in my Logitech G29 shifter, which is the complete opposite way. I'm like, oh nope, this is left right, not like down right. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so that's it for this video today. I'm just rambling on. Next few videos we are going to be repolishing the whole entire car, so it's gonna be a 2-part video where we're gonna, you know, take off everything, so clay it, repolish it, compound it, coat it, ceramic coat it, and then clean the wheels, repaint the calipers red again because the chips are falling off and it doesn't really look really cool, and clean the inside, clean the engine bay, clean the interior. If you know, the interior is pretty clean, just, you know, quick touch up, new little trees because why not, we're all about that life. And then after that, next other videos is going to be just hanging out with friends and cruising around and then going to car meets. So lots of stuff planned, but for now that's it. I'll see you guys later. Take care.